How to fix Instagram DMs not working. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the Instagram DMs. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps right here, and after that it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is wait a few seconds like me, and after that it will show you this here. Right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and now click here on this force stop option. And after you click on the force stop, then go to this storage right here, and after you click on storage you need to wait a few seconds. It will start computing the data of the app, and then it will give you the option to clear the data. Click on clear data and clear cache, and then turn off your phone and reopen it again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.